Come to me. What's your name?
Sabrina.
Can you count to 10?
Yeah.
Let me hear you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
And what about ABC?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time want to sing me. I know it, I know it, I know my ABC.